Hey yo, what's going on guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're gonna show you a brand new glitch. Also, pretty much 2 days ago, something crazy happened. My channel blew up thanks to Jesse. If you haven't seen, there was an AFK farm video. I'll show you right here. Boom. There we go. You can see the video. And anyways, let's continue on. So, pretty much, um, and that was the AFK farm video. But anyways, before we begin with this video, make sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'd really appreciate that. So let's continue on. Also hit the notification bell and give this video a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Anyways, continuing on, what we're gonna show you is this weird mechanism. I'm gonna load this in. And that's pretty much this. There are two magnets. We don't need this thing. This is a really old build from me. I don't know if I created this. I just was fooling around with magnets and old wheels. So I'll click these two real quickly because it'll deactivate real soon. So if I delete it, yeah, weird stuff really would happen. I expect. Let's kinda push it maybe. Oh, there we go. It's kind of lifting. It should lift from this side then. Okay, let's try out a little thruster with percentage. Let's edit it out. Okay, never mind. Okay, I can't. Oh. Okay, let's launch and then I'll show you what I mean. What if I do this? Oh gosh. Oh, okay. Yeah, this is what happens. Everything goofy happens. Oh. Okay. Ooh. Oh. Yeah, so we're now kind of in orbit in Buildable. So pretty much I'll teach how to get a zero gravity block in Buildable. It's kind of weird. I'll show you an easier method. So what you just need is two magnets and two wheels, and that's it pretty much. Every time you start in Buildable, for example, we'll build up every time. Or like we'll just use 6 blocks as usual, and a car seat, and a turbine. But anyways, let's show you this. What I'm gonna do is just do this. Boom, pop, and where is a magnet? Bing, pop. And now what we do is just do this and then click. Okay, let's turn it off. That's why I'm telling you, we gotta be quick with this part. And once the magnets are settled, just delete this. And it should be unanchored. Ah, dang it, I turned on anchor block. Alright, anyways. So, let's just use these blocks anyways. Who cares? Boom. Boom. And then let's delete, or let's get the magnets up. Okay. Magnet. Where are you? Okay. Now what we do is turn these two on. And then delete this, and what the heck is it gonna do? It's gonna do some weird stuff. Its own moving wheel, let's say. Yeah, it's doing random stuff. Okay, calm down. It really did weird stuff. Let's redo it, but better. Okay, so let me show you for the last time the tutorial how to do this. Anyways, what we're gonna do is place a wheel. Again, 2 wheels, 1 and 2, and 2 magnets, 1 and 2. Turn them on, or if you have a lever, use that. Go in the middle and delete the wood block, and there you go. How weird is that? Self-floating block and Buildable. Like, this is so weird. Just look at that. And the way it goes. So, I'm gonna actually follow it. That's a better idea. Uh-oh, never mind, it's slowing down, I think. Yeah, guys, it's really slowing down. Um, Now it's going down. But anyways, yeah, whatever this glitch does, it's pretty fun. If you want to mess around with it, guys, it's gonna be really good because if we just mess around with it a ton, hopefully, guys, we're gonna get a lot of what is it called? A lot of new glitches, new creative build ideas. So this is what I would call a zero gravity blocks because if you push it, it moves in that direction. If you build on it, it really is like a balloon block, but more powerful. Okay, guys, like a giant balloon block can't like withstand pieces. Like you need like like 600 of them. But was that? Oh man, that's hecka crazy. But yeah, now it just hit the ground over there. But yeah, if you spammed a bunch of them, that would be like very weird. It just floats by itself with anchor off. So if you want to make it fly, if you want to make a glitch that goes to the end, it's all on you guys after this. So thank you very much for watching this video. Sorry if I was very bad at it. I'm not the best talker. Anyways, thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see ya later. Bye.